What's up guys? Today we're going to Nagoro, which is a scarecrow village, as well as the Oku-Iya Kazurabashi. It's a vine bridge that's famous in the area. The sun has finally come out, which means we can get the drone footage and the footage of Iya Valley that I really wanted to get the other day. This place is stunning. Just so beautiful, just mountains and valleys and forests and rivers. We're so high up that we're driving through the clouds. It was the most surreal experience. I thought it was like either smoke or mist, but it's clouds. We've just pulled over because behind us here is some beautiful rice fields. I never thought I would get one of these drone helipad things, but because of the ground here, it's all rocky, it might be a good idea to try it out. Whoa! This isn't conspicuous at all, is it? Carry along, just doing some droning. Sit up here. Doo-doo-doo. On our way to Nagoro, we actually stumbled across the Oku-Iya Kazurabashi. There's a few vine bridges in the area. This isn't the one that we had intended to go to, but since it's on the way, we may as well stop. It's right there, that's so cool. Just here's a brief explanation of the vine bridges. They say that there were 13 vine bridges originally in the Iya region. Here at Oku-Iya, there's a double vine bridge. They're said to have been constructed by the Heikei clan 800 years ago, when they fled into these mountains after losing that battle. In the olden days, these vine bridges served as a vital transportation route for the people that lived in these mountains. And now they're periodically maintained for safety. We've got the two bridges here. One's called the Obashi for the male bridge, and one's called the Mebashi, female bridge. And then the wooden cable cart as well is in that direction. Let's start with the Obashi. That was cool. It sways a bit and you feel like Indiana Jones walking across it. Well, you do until you hear the shrieks of Japanese women. Getting up to the female bridge now. I really think the female bridge is much nicer. It's shaded and just the aesthetic looks more rustic than the vine bridge over there somehow. I really love this place. This is so cool. It's a pulley system and you get into that little cabin, pull yourself across. Wow. Okay, oh my goodness, how are we gonna do this? This is actually not too hard. I thought it'd be harder than this. You gotta just keep pulling and pulling and pulling. Ah! Oh, come on! Get to the chopper! Come on! Oh, now it's getting harder. The momentum slowed down, and so now you gotta like pull. When you first start, it's kind of like the weight in the cabin helps you along. Now we're going back uphill a bit. Yeah! I'm done. That was a cool experience. Worked out really well. I worked out really well. I think I've had my exercise for the week. This was such a pleasant surprise. Double vine bridges and the rope pulley. It's just, and they're right next to each other. The Iya Kazurabashi Vine Bridge is more famous, but I think this one is better. This is the Oku-Iya Kazurabashi. Kazurabashi means vine bridge. This is Nagoro. It goes by many names. Scarecrow Village, Valley of the Dolls, and it's got a Japanese name as well. It's a practically abandoned mountain village. Only around 35 inhabitants still live here. In its heyday, there were 300 inhabitants in this village. But due to Japan's declining population and the trend of people moving from the countryside to the city, it was at 30 inhabitants in August of 2016. A woman by the name of Tsukimi Ayano left the village as a child, then returned in the early 2000s to care for her father. She created a scarecrow in his likeness and then placed it in a field. She has since made about 400 scarecrows, including replacements. Currently there are around 350 scarecrows in the village to replace all of those that have departed or passed away. These scarecrows are just waiting for the bus. Check this out, they've got a Donald Trump. He's a bit better looking as well, I think. So if this is Trump, I guess this is Melania? This room is almost like a welcome center. They have this book filled with who the people are that the scarecrows represent, with all different stats such as their birthday, their height and weight. Also on this blackboard, visitors from all over the world have written messages. We have people from Leeds in England, Hong Kong, Singapore, Denmark, France, Canterbury in the UK, Canada. I'm really surprised at how well known this village is. They also have a Scarecrow Festival in this town. It's on the first Sunday of October. Also on the fourth Wednesday of each month, there's a scarecrow making workshop with the creator of these scarecrows, Ms. Ayano. It costs 3,000 yen and it runs from 1 to 4 o'clock, and you need to make a reservation beforehand. I'll leave all the details below. I can't believe how many scarecrows are in this village, and it's really sad. This is a trend that happens all over Japan. There are villages across the country that have just been abandoned. People don't want the country life, they want the city life. So you've got these places where there's just no one around. You can hear the TV on in there. There's someone actually still living in there. I just waved as I passed his front door. A little while back I did a vlog about the AIOI Scarecrow Festival. That link's available up here as well as down below. Most of the school is locked except for the gym, where they've got a display of a lot of different scarecrows. They have slippers set up for any visitors. This is quite an eerie, surreal feeling. This building is completely abandoned. The entire school was closed down in 2012. Yet they've left all this equipment inside, computers, phones. She's created a bit of a festival or matsuri theme in this room. You'll also notice formal kimono for this wedding that they have on the stage. I'm not gonna lie, this place gives me the creeps a little bit. I keep expecting to see a ghost child up there looking down at me. This place feels like it's a remnant of the apocalypse. I can't believe that in the back of the truck there's moss growing in the tray. That's not creepy at all. It's a bit Norman Bates-esque. I don't know if I want to come around or not. Alright, I'll let the camera go first. It's safe. And that's all for today. My name is Lin Nyunt. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Oku-Iya Kazurabashi Vine Bridge, as well as the Scarecrow Village in Nagoro. Every single week I make a video, so if you like this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. Hit that notification bell to know as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time. See ya. No, that's recording now.
Why? I thought it was recording.
No, it was recording before, and then you pressed the button again, and I said, hey, is it okay? And you're like, yeah, it's fine.
Now you have to act surprised for the third time.